Hello friends, welcome to Learn One. In previous lecture, we have learned the practicals of simple block without an argument. Now we will see practical example of blocks with single parameter. Here I am creating one definition, let's say greetings, and I am writing some message. Let me say hello world. And I am writing yield statement, and I am passing one argument, that is yield, and I am passing one argument, that is learn one, and the message that I want to show at the execution end, let me say thank you, and I am closing my definition. Now I am calling the block. Let's say block name must be the same, so here I am writing greeting and my block, and here I am receiving the parameter, let me say name, and I am printing one message, that is put as, let me say welcome to, and I am using string interpolation to print my message, and this will gives us an output like hello world. This is our first put as statement, and here from this yield statement our block gets executed. So this learn one will be passed as a single argument, and it will received here in my variable name, and I am writing welcome to, and using string interpolation I am printing that name. So learn one is printed here. So we have second line, that is welcome to learn one, and after the execution flow goes back to the definition and it will print the third line, that is thank you. So this is how we can create a block with single parameter. In next lecture we will learn the practicals of a block with multiple arguments.